Hi, Phil Swift here for the FLEX family of products. With FLEX, you can coat, seal, and stop leaks fast.
FLEX is a fantastic product. The stuff is incredibly durable.
Whenever it would rain, it would be like a deluge of water pouring in. The FLEX prevented the leaks from continuing.
It's a really proven product. It works.
If you're a do-it-yourselfer, this stuff really, really works.
And now, with FLEX Liquid, you can brush, roll, dip, or pour.
A lot of the tools that we use in my business get banged up pretty bad. It's almost like a new tool when you're able to coat the handles with the FLEX.
And with FLEX Shot, you can caulk, bond, and seal virtually anything.
For the common homeowner, it's a life changer.
It saves you an hour's worth of work. And how much is that valued at? It's a lot of money.
Once you start using it, you start finding all these other uses that you wouldn't even think of.
Imagine everything you can do with FLEX Liquid, and FLEX Shot. Order now.